One thing I don't like is snowballs, because I remember when I was in secondary school walking along with Emma and suddenly some snowball comes from far in the distance. It's like a missile and you're like, oh my god, 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 oh my god. Emma gets a snowball straight in the eye. She's like, oh! And then she takes her glasses off and they're bent. And not only that, like, they're fully bent and broken. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. That was a highlight of the year. So, I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.